going on, everybody? I am testing the audio in my helmet out. I don't know how this sounds, so I can't really, I'm not gonna really know until I go home and check it out on the computer. So hopefully this is sounding too good. I'm trying to set up my helmet for audio as well, so that way I can talk to you guys while I'm riding. Right now we're just gonna take a little drive through the streets of Halifax and test this audio out and see what we can, if we can get any good quality out of it. So stick around for a little drive and we'll go from there. Right now we're heading towards Bedford Highway, and we're gonna start riding down towards the downtown Halifax. See what's going on there. Maybe we can see some bikers out there. Today's actually about 8 degrees. Any nice day we can get, we're gonna try and utilize. Shoot some nice videos. Check out the area. So I'm going about 60 right now. The wind is hitting somewhat decent. So how's the audio? Is it good, bad? If you have any suggestions of how I can make it better, let me know in the comments below. This is my first try. I just bought a regular little mic on Amazon, nothing too crazy in terms of the price. I think it was around 20 Canadian dollars. And yeah, I got a GoPro 10 with the media mod, so I have the mic connected to the media mod, and hopefully it's sounding good. Oh, he looked like he was about to go. Like I said, it's about 8 degrees, little windy, and it's first day of April, so April 1st. So we have the option of going towards, slightly shift to the left or go straight. We are going to go turn a little bit right here and just go straight. We're going to go down towards the Roundabout and then up towards Quinpool. Oh, a little bit of traffic. Look at that idiot. No idea what he wants to do. No idea. People like that shouldn't deserve a license. All over there used to be all houses. They tore them all down and they're going to build another big building. Apartment building. Oh wow, look at that hole. I don't know if I'm the brave one or what. People just don't want to ride in chillier weather. It's not so bad, honestly. Just the wind is a little on the colder side. So right now we're approaching the infamous roundabout here in Halifax. This is where quite a few accidents happen. I've seen people get in accidents. I've seen people go the wrong way in the roundabout. So I don't know how that happens, considering all the cars around you go one way and you decide to, you know, go the opposite. It's interesting. This is the roundabout. Alright, we are good. Oh, you can definitely feel the wind now that we're closer to the water. Oh wow. This will definitely test the audio setup. I have a feeling I'll have to do some adjusting. It's always interesting riding towards the downtown of Halifax. You got some interesting drivers. I don't know how it is wherever you guys are from, but we don't have exactly the best drivers here. So you always got to be careful no matter where you go, but it's interesting to say the least. Ah, there's a biker. That's two. Hey, buddy. Two so far. Let's see if we can see some more. Oh, that was interesting. But he had like a scarf or something over his eyes. He didn't look like he was blind. At least the way he was walking, it didn't look like he would be blind. Alright. Now we're pulling up to the Commons. There he is. Gotta get out of that buddy's blind spot. So this is the Commons. Over to the right is the Citadel Hill. That's where we'll go. So this is now pretty much the downtown of Halifax. It's going up Citadel Hill, and we'll do a loop around it so you guys can kind of get a general view of what the Halifax looks like, at least the downtown area of it. So that right there is a school, high school, and right behind it is the QE2 hospital, QE hospital. And over there, I don't know if you can see it, but that's where the Wanderers ground is. That's where the Halifax Wanderers play. They pitched idea for a stadium, permanent stadium there, so we'll see if that's going to be approved or not, but it's right there. There's some people laying right on the hill there. Summertime, this place is usually packed with people just sitting enjoying the sun. There's the ocean over there. Spring Garden is up that way, and this is the downtown area where all the bars, clubs, and all that good stuff is. No car. Alright, let's keep going. So right there, not much going on. It is quite windy, so hopefully my voice is coming out good. That's the police station over there. Pull over. Oh, there's another bike. I think that's what, 3, 4? I can't remember. Hold on, buddy, wait for me, don't back up yet. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for me for this video. Hopefully the audio came out okay. And like I said earlier, if you have any suggestions on how to make my audio better, feel free to drop a comment to help me out. In the meantime, I'll catch you guys in the next video soon. Take care. Bye.